What day is it? I don't even know what year it is anymore. It's about to change too, so I'm gonna be real shook by the end of it all. But it's with hair. Ooh, what did I just look up? These baby hairs. Like I like the fluffy, but I'd be like, it's like, who is she? I don't know her, but they do. So don't fight with me. All right, we're back and it is late. It's like 9:30. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to bust this out so I don't have to do anything for like 4 days. So hopefully I don't get sleep angry. But anyways, what do we got? More hair, more hair. Oh, we got another wig, but this one is so much more bomb. I'm sorry, it just is. The other one was cool, but it's like my regular hairstyle. This is like the complete opposite. This came in the other day and I've been waiting to do this. Seeing this? Dogs. Okay, this is from, wait, I don't even know how to say this. Celie? I can't read for shit, so please, I'm so sorry if that is not pronounced right, but I don't care. So look, we got a blonde one, and I have to take it out. I have to pluck and customize it really fast. So I'm gonna be up for like probably hours. These always come with like some goodies. So let me just show you these right quick. Bobby pins. I already lost the last pack, so that's good. Ooh, came with an elastic, which is dope. Dope. Wig cap and clips. Purple clips. And I need these because I'm always running low. I really need those for work because, you know, some hoes be stealing. You'll be stealing. You'll be stealing the clips. Or I take them home, one or the other. This is a lace. Oh, God, I had to bring the I'm blind. This is a lace frontal 13 by 4 inch. I believe it is 28 inches long, so she is long. And she is, I think, 180% density, so she is thick, okay? She is thick. She's scrumdiddlyumptious is what she is. So she's looking like a crusty hoe right now. We're going to spruce her up. This was my first lace wig, and I like it because it's long and straight and dark, but I cut the lace too far back, so it's actually really tight when I put it on, and it's a little too much of a facelift, and it kind of doesn't cover over here, so I have to like part it in a certain way. So it's not ruined, but I was like, let's start fresh. Now that I've learned a thing or two, we're gonna start fresh with this blonde wig, okay? First I want to say it does not have a smell, okay? So I love that. The other wig had a smell, and oftentimes they do, so it's not a big deal, but this one don't. It really doesn't. So it smells like hair, but it doesn't smell like bad or like chemicals or like, you know, death. Oh, she's thick. She's thick. I'm surprised because she's thick and she's long. And usually when you want longer hair, you start to get stringy. You start to get the stringy ends. But no, she said, I'm gonna be long, I'm gonna be thick, and you can't stop me, ho. The best part about this for me is that it's blonde, so I don't gotta bleach any knots. Because last time that was a hoe. I didn't think that I was gonna have to bleach them, and then I had it on, and then I was like, I'm gonna have to bleach them next time I take it off. So then I had to redo it. It was all bullshit. Stop. She's gonna look so good on me. I don't know, is she too gold for me? No. The fuck? No. Okay, this has lace in the back. It's not like a full like 360 frontal, but there's lace in the back. So you can lay the lace in the back and put your hair up kind of if you finesse around the ears. The hell to the yizzle. So my issue last time was that I totally plucked wrong and I over plucked and it was all bad. And that's how I ended up cutting too far back. So we're not gonna make the same mistake twice. And I think I'm coming in with some new knowledge, and I think that she's gonna look fire, okay? Okay, so I got her all curled, styled, plucked, everything that took like so long. So my hair's already braided down. You can sew this down if you're going to wear your wig for like multiple weeks. I'm too lazy to fucking sew anything down right now. So we are just gonna pin it up, smash it down, and call it a day, you feel me? Okay, you think I wasn't drinking some wine? Of course, I'm drinking some wine. So I'm just spraying a little bit of Got2b. This is the spray. And I am combing all of my baby hairs, like up and back, making sure they're secure. You can use the Got2b gel too if you want. I'm just gonna put on cool. I am starting to get tired, that's for sure. We're gonna use this, which is actually kind of like it's a glue. It's a temporary glue. It's not gonna be as strong as the bolt hole that we're about to put down, but we are gonna use it to kind of lay down. You don't have to do this throughout everything, but I'm gonna do it because I'm just gonna play it safe, bro. I'm gonna play it safe. Look, I look ridiculous. Okay, so I did get a bunch of things for this moment. So we got some styling foam, which we're gonna do for fluffy edges. I got the bolt hold glue remover in case all of this goes terribly wrong. Always a possibility. Oh yeah, these, I jacked these from work. Glue, this is the glue we're gonna use. This stuff, I've heard great stuff about it, everybody loves it. And I got the Bold Hold Active for oily skin. I actually don't even know why I got this one because I don't have oily skin. I have dry to normal or dry to combination skin. And I also have the skin protector, which we probably should have put on before we did all of that. That's okay. Too. My skin's actually kind of sensitive to this stuff too, and I did just put it all over my skin. So don't make that mistake. We'll see. Oh, I regret everything I've done today. Y'all, my head right now straight up looks like my fingernails when I don't have nails on. I'm a nub head right now. So yeah, we are dry, we are good, we are gonna cut. We're gonna cut. Okay, hopefully these shears cut, because these are really fucking old. I haven't gotten them sharpened in like way too long. They don't normally cut anything and I can't find any others, so. Hold on. And they say to cut like a zigzag. Cut this extra piece off. And you can just pin this down if you want or tuck it into the hair. I'm just gonna take it up to there because there's gonna be a comb that goes right in there, comfy. Yeah, we're gonna be slayed, okay? But see, that looks like a straight line still, so I don't really know. I don't know what I'm doing. Fake it till you make it, you know, that's my motto. So we're gonna put a little bit of concealer on, or not concealer. I tried like a concealer, like an actual cream one time. They say you can use both cream or powder, but I tried a concealer and it was horrendous. It was a horrendous moment. Okay, I don't know what I did wrong. When I put the glue down, I was using the spray, and then when I put the glue down, it like made it all gross and sticky, and then it was drying weird and gross and sticky, and it was a no. It was a no for me, so I'm never doing that again. I do want to try one of those foams, the tinting foams that they have, but I don't have one right now. So I guess this part is really important, and honestly, I probably should have done it before I started anything, but I didn't, so we're gonna do it now. We're not gonna skip it just because we forgot when it should have happened. But get some alcohol, like the high proof one, like a 95 or an 80, but this is a 70 because that's what I got. All right. Okay, alcohol will remove this kind of glue and the got-to-be. So just literally, if you're me and forgot to do this already, just go in with the edge of something to make sure all of this is clean of oil. I guess this is super essential because it will not stick. Go in with your Skin Protect. This is a spray I got off of Amazon. Smells good. I wanted to get the bold hold one, but I couldn't get it. Like I couldn't get it in time. So here I am with this one so that it doesn't touch any of that. Y'all are not even ready to see this blonde ass hair up on this nub ass head, okay? I look like the president, like a president from the like George Washington. Last time I cut my shit so fucked up, so I can't see Jack diddly squat, so I'm going to cut my lace just a little bit. Pull it more forward than you think. That's all I'm gonna say. But you don't need like to look like this. We don't need to look like this. Good advice, make sure that the hairline comes farther than this, because otherwise you're gonna see it. Like if we put it back here, you can see the lace, and that's gonna stress a bitch out, okay? So we're gonna pull it, we're gonna pull it a little further, and we're gonna make sure it's in front, okay? And so we're gonna put like 2 or 3 layers on. Hopefully that's Gucci. I heard that you don't need to put a lot on because I'm not trying to keep it on for like ever. But we're gonna do 3 layers. We're gonna do 3. We're gonna trust the process here, okay? And we're supposed to wait till it's completely clear before we apply the next layer. So let's get a gang blickety blick. Okay, we're gonna start in sections. So I'm gonna take my time, and you should take your time too unless you're a seasoned pro. And we're gonna start with here, and then we're gonna do sides, and it's gonna be amazing. Okay, so let's get it. Okay, so everybody says to put a little bit on the lace or the wig cap, and then also a little on your skin. So we're gonna kind of zigzag it across. So you want to make sure that you place your wig cap a little farther than your hairline. You see my hairline starts here, and then the glue doesn't touch the hairline, because if you put it right on your hairline, your edges is gonna break, and that's your own problem. That's your own problem, dog. I'm telling you, you should have listened. Some blow dryers, and usually it's strange because it's usually the cheap blow dryers, have the cool setting, just like a little click of a button, like you just click the button and it'd be on cool, like kind of like the different heat settings, you know, hot, medium. This one, you have to hold, and a lot of them, the ones that I work with at work too, you have to hold. And let me tell you something, that be stressing out your wrist, okay? Holding this and just going like this, stressing the fuck out your wrist. Carpal tunnel. That's what happens. That's why hairdressers get carpal tunnel. It's stressful. I'm not gonna make it much longer out in this world. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close with you, won't you? Ooh, look. So anyways, this is the T3 something or another. I'll link it if you want. I don't know. It's nice. That's for sure. Oh, like look at the bounce. Holy moly, mother of pearl. I didn't think that this was gonna go so smoothly. Like, oh my god, I look so good. Look at fucking mannequin back here looking bald headed. I bet you wish. All right, so I got my little edge curler. This is just a tiny curler. You can get one of these at like on Amazon for like 20 bucks. Okay, curl up. So what we need to do here is shape them before we put the product on. Yep, we're doing hella extra edges is what we're doing. Oh my god. 1, 2, so this is alright. Okay, so finally got around to finishing this video. It's actually been a couple days. And I have washed the hair, restyled it. I'm in love with this wig. So, what did I just fuck up? These baby hairs, like I like the fluffy, but I be like messing it up. And then, yeah, so it's been a couple of days and it was just a really hectic last couple of days. We did a lot of stuff. We went to see the Trans-Siberian Orchestra in Phoenix, and that was because they were in Phoenix, and that was really cool. I'm not super into Christmas carols, but that was like super cool because it was like rock star Christmas carols. It was pretty lit. And since then I also got my hands tied up a little bit, just a little bit, you know, a little something something. I hadn't gotten any tattoos yet, and I'm like, look, a bitch gotta start living her life. So here I am. The tattoo artist that did these, her name is Sierra. I had to think about that for a second because like her Instagram name is Emo Girl, so I was like referring to her as that. But Sierra, I believe, is her name, and she's so sweet, she's so nice, and she's so fast. She did it so quickly. It did hurt, but it didn't hurt like as badly as I had like anticipated. Like, there was some spicy spots, that's for sure. Like around the neck, a little styles, a little ouch. Like, so this hair came out hella cute, and it's nice and long. This wig is 28 inches, so if you like long hair, I do want a wig that's like 30 inches or longer because we're trying to be hella extra. But 20, that's pretty close. So, and I'm short, so it's gonna look hella long. I'm down like past my. This is like the small of my back, so almost to my butt. Yeah, a little bit, almost to my butt. Whew. Trying to stay on my tippy toes, and I'm losing breath. Getting lightheaded. At first, I wasn't digging the color, but once I cut it, I added some layers, added some face framing. I really liked the color, and I didn't feel like I needed to tone it anymore, so it's good. I wore it to work, and nobody recognized me, of course. Clients, my regulars too, the ones that I see like on the weekly. Walked right on past me. I was like, hello. You know that audio that's like, do you remember? 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 That's what it was like. I feel like they just walked right on past me, and I was like, that's always how it is every time I change my hair, to be honest. I feel like I'm just like a shape shifter by nature, or like at heart, or in a past life. So anytime I do like anything, especially like as something as important as your hair, it's just drastically different. Everybody thinks it's crazy. Everybody's like, who is she? I don't know her, but they do. So don't like me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I've got to go get shit done, you know, because I can't just do hair all day, except I can because that is what I do. So if you liked it, subscribe. If you want to see more wig stuff, stay tuned because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have some curly wigs to show y'all soon. Anyways, yeah, deuces.